Hello everyone. So we are going to start trigonometric equations today. So trigonometric equations, okay. What do you mean by the trigonometric equations? First of all, before that, you should know about the equations, okay. What do you mean by the equations? Now equations means whenever we are dealing with the variables and constant. Hope you have heard about the polynomial equations. So polynomial equations means combination of some variables. So there are different types of polynomial equations. So equations means basically we have something on right hand side and something on left hand side. Okay, we can say left hand side we have some variables, or right hand side we have some constant. But it is not necessary. We can have anything on any other sides. So but basically both sides are equated with the symbol equal. Okay, basically we have something on left hand side, something on right hand. Similarly we have something basically in trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations means we are dealing with the trigonometric functions. Okay, so whenever we are writing sin x is equal to 1 by 2 or sin square x plus sin x equal to something, basically we are dealing with the trigonometric equations. Okay, so if we are dealing with these equations, it means we should know about the solutions of these equations. Okay, definitely if we have something, definitely we need to get a value of variable for which this equation should be satisfied. That is nothing but a solution. Okay, so when we are saying solution of the any equation, not just trigonometric equation, solution of any equations, it means the value of a variable for which the equation will be satisfied. But here when we are dealing with the trigonometric equations, so we have sine functions. It means the x, the variable here, as you can see, the variable here is nothing but the angle of my sine function. It means we need an angle for which this equation will be satisfied. It means we are dealing with the trigonometric solutions means the value of x for which, or value of angle for which the equation will be satisfied. So again, so trigonometric equations means basically an equation involving one or more trigonometric ratios of unknown angles is called as trigonometric equations.